A very good afternoon to all of you. I'm already feeling the weight of the medal. It's my honor and privilege to be here standing as a chairperson of Flow Hyderabad 2015-16. I am full of enthusiasm and excitement, and I'm very keen to make this year a memorable experience for not only myself but for each and every member of Flow and YFlow. Since enrolling as a member in 2003, I have always looked up to this organization and dreamt of leading it one day. And today, my dream has come true. FICCI Ladies organization is the largest entrepreneurial organization with a pan-India visibility in 13 cities. With 4,000 plus members, I am very passionate about Flow and truly believe in the organizational capability of empowering women and opening up opportunities that make a difference not only to us as individuals, but as a society. I have grown tremendously and I have had the opportunities to network, bond, and meet the best of minds through Flow. And I would like each and every member to experience the reach and the benefits of the organization within the chapter and pan-India. What has Flow given me? This is a question I'm sure every member must be asking to herself. It has given me friendships for lifetime across the length and the breadth of the country. I could be in any part of the country and I know a Flow friend is just a tinkle away. My vision for this year is building synergy through member engagement. Synergy to me is an underlying thread that holds everything together. If there's synergy of minds, ideas, and actions, we could achieve a lot more than what we could do individually. Networking with Pan-India friends made me realize what working together can really do. I'd like to develop the synergy not just within the chapter, but chapter to chapter coordination and chapter to head office Delhi. It will be my endeavor to take our members for Pan-India programs like the National Delegation, Annual Session, and Interstate. I'm also looking forward to working closely with YFlow in form of interaction through fellowship, joint events, and retreats.